shorter lesson, but I hope that you've enjoyed the other ones. So children, what we're going to do today is we are going to be learning how to do big arms on your back, which is called backstroke arms, and we're going to learn how to dive down for treasure and dive off the side of the pool. So first of all, we're going to start off with lying on our backs like this. And you're going to get someone to hold you, because when you first start doing this, you don't want to have to worry about kicking your legs. So forget about the legs, we're just doing the arms. So what you're going to be doing is lying on your back. Your arm comes up all the way up to the ceiling, all the way to the back, all the way down and touch your leg. And then it's the other arm's turn. It goes all the way up to the ceiling, all the way back, all the way around and touch your leg. Now because Aquated's got such little arms, yes, so you keep saying, I'm going to have to show you how to do it myself. So Aquated, can you mind just watching? And I will be showing the children how to do this. So what you're going to be doing is you're going to do a big arm all the way up. It's going to go all the way around and then it's going to touch your leg. Then the other one comes up, all the way around, all the way over, whoop, and touch your leg. I nearly got you, didn't I, Aquated? Yes. So that's a good one to do. Now the next thing we're going to do is learn how to dive for treasure. So the arms for this one are called breaststroke. So your thumbs are down. You're going to dig a big hole with your hands and bring it through. So you're going to dig and dig. So when you dig the water, you're going to move into that space. Make a hole in the water, move into that space. But to go down for treasure, you've got to put your head down and bottom in the air, and you're digging, digging. What I do is I put a kickboard on the side of the pool, so that if you're kneeling on the side of the pool and it's a bit rough on your knees, you don't hurt your knees. So you're going to kneel down on the side of the pool. Do you remember those torpedo arms? So you're going to get those torpedo arms in front of you. You're going to take a deep breath, eyes down, blow bubbles, head first into the water. Wow, Aquated, you make it look so easy. That's because it is. Why don't we go and see some other children in their pool practicing what we've just been showing you. Come on, let's go. Okay. So lying on your back, Ben, I want you to place your head in my hand, push your tummy up towards the sky, put your hands down by your side. And one at a time, you're going to bring one straight arm right the way up, thumb towards me, turn the hand around, all the way back. Now touch your side. Touch your side. Touch your side. Now the other arm comes all the way up with the thumb leading. Turn the hand around, all the way back and touch your side. We're just going to go back again. Arm all the way up, reaching all the way back and touch your side. Arm all the way up, turn and all the way back. So when you first start teaching the children to do this, thank you Ben, standing up on the step darling, it's important that you give them support under their head so they don't feel that they have to do everything on their own. So when you do this, lying on your back again, Ben, head back, they can then concentrate just on their arms without having to worry about the kick. That is something else they'll have to think about at the same time. So just the arms, Ben, arms all the way up. Now turn it, try and touch your ear with your arm, look up at the sky, head back more, head back, head back, head back. That's it, and down. The reason I say head back is because if Ben, thank you darling, turning around, turn around again, turn around to face mommy. If Ben, put your head back a minute. If Ben does backstroke with his chin up here, it's going to make his legs sink. So you've always got to make sure that the child is in the right position from the very beginning, with the chin facing up towards the sky, and then start the arms all the way up, turn, touch your ear with your arm, and then touch your side. Beautiful, that's it. All the way around, and then touch your side bend. Lovely. Try and keep the arm as straight up, all the way back, and straight back down. So I don't know if you've noticed, when Ben brings his arm down, he's bending it like this. That's very common for children to do that. We're going to do this again, Ben. What you have to explain is when, chin back, darling, is when the arm goes up to the sky and the arm goes all the way back. It continues in the straight motion. So the arms are straight the whole time. Straight up, straight back, straight down. There is no bending at any time in backstroke. Straight up, straight back, straight down. Good boy. Straight up, turn, straight back, touch your ear with your arm, straight back. All right, Ben, can you go and get the noodle?
The noodle.
Can you see the noodle there?
Yeah.
So once they get more confident in that, you can actually add other bits and pieces. So the noodle I'm going to add to the backstroke is to help Ben just focus on his arms and do no kicking, because sometimes they're going to try and kick at the same time, which can distract from the arms. So again, chin all the way back. You're placing your hand behind his head. Push your head back a little bit further, Ben, that's it. Arm all the way up to the sky. Turn your hand, reach all the way back. Now push the water. That's it, good boy. All the way up, turn and push the water. That's it. So when the arm gets in the water, head back, darling, head back. When the arm gets in the water, as soon as he puts his arm in the water, push the water away. Now the other arm, chin up, chin up, chin up, chin up, chin up, Ben. And now push the water away. Push it with all your might. There we go. So bring that under your knees. He's now going to close his fingers. So they're nice and closed and everything straight from the fingertips. Straight, 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 straight. Like a soldier. From the fingertips, all the way, keep it still there, Ben, all the way down to his shoulder is one straight line. So turning your hand around, now push as hard as you can. Push. Fingers up to the sky. Fingers up, fingers, fingers. Turn and push as hard as you can. We're going to do that again. Up, reach up. Now, see what you did there, Ben? You didn't reach, touch your ear with your arm. So the arm goes all the way up. Now turn it. Now push as hard as you can. All the way up and turn and push. This is another way that you can help them do their backstroke arm. So holding with your thumbs under the kickboard. Thumbs under the kickboard like that, darling. So your thumbs are down like that. So holding your hands with your thumbs down. That's it. Lie on your back. Again, we don't want legs. We don't want legs while they're still learning to do their backstroke. So they're lying on their backs, chins up to the sky, push their head into your hand, and off we go. Finger up, all the way back, push the water away, grab your kickboard. All the way up, and all the way back, and push. Beautiful, Ben. Hand all the way up, turn, and all the way back. Try and keep that head back a bit more. All the way up, all the way back, and push.
Ooh.
If you can place the Sinky toy behind you, so it's between your legs, well, behind your legs, but you're opening your legs up, so Mitch actually gets a chance to swim between your legs, and it's a fun game to play. So Mitch, are you ready? Don't forget to blow those bubbles, and you're going to swim through the cave of doom to get your treasure. So I always call all my toys treasure to make it more exciting. Again, if a child is comfortable with doing this and going under the water, you can actually put real money in the water. And that money can go towards pool toys or a bath toy, something to do with swimming. But that makes it a little bit more adventurous. Just make sure they don't swallow the coins. Are you ready? And off we go. Blowing bubbles, go and get your treasure, and boom! Well done. Now Mitch is really good at doing that, but sometimes they might not go under straight away, so you might have to give them a gentle push to get them down lower. Fabulous. Okay. So what we're going to do now, Ben, is you're going to swim between my legs and get the circle on the other side. So you're going to swim through the cave to get to your circle. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Now I want to see these arms. Do you remember these arms here? Ready? 1, 2, 3, and bubbles. that one on the side, shall we? And we'll do one more to see we've got a good shot of that. What colour? You haven't done the orange yet. Okay, so let's do that one again.
Lala is like, Lala is my worst colour out of all.
What? How do you say it? What colour is it? Lello. Yeah.
Yellow.
That's it. Onto the platform. Yellow. Yellow.
I need to get the
yellow. Like the yolk.
Yellow.
And yo. Are you ready? Lovely breaststroke arms. And blowing bubbles. Yes. And go. Good boy. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to throw it back to the step. So give me a circle. Same breaststroke arms, swimming back to the platform to get your circle. So you're going to stand on my legs, push yourself off, and go. Good boy. Okay. Hands on my shoulders. Now hold onto my shoulders. I'm going to lift your knees. That's it. That's it. Now kneel down. Kneel down. That's it. Kneeling down. Good boy. That's it. Now bring your knees forward so you're touching my hand. That's it. Now arms out in front. Tuck your chin down. Arms in between your ears. Fingers pointing up to the sky. If your hands point down this way when you're diving, you're going to end up doing a handstand. So the fingers always pointing up. Are you leaning forward? And go. Beautiful. So those hands automatically bring back up to the surface. Now you're going to do torpedo back to the steps.
So I literally went
Torpedo, straight fingers, head in between your arms, and we're going to do 2 more dives. Eyes down, and go. Kick your legs. Beautiful torpedo. You ready? We're going to do that again then. And that's fabulous. Kneeling down. And tuck your head in between your arms. If a child, can I just lift your head up a bit, Ben? If a child dives, look up, Ben, look up. With their head up like this, they're probably going to end up doing a belly flop. So you need to tuck that head down in between their arms, and their arms protect them anyway. So fingers up to the ceiling, leaning forward, and go. Beautiful, good boy. We're going to do one more of those. Beautiful torpedo back, chin down, and go. One more and then it's Claire's turn. Ready? So lean it down. Fingers up, that's it, to the sky. Tuck that head down, look down, Ben, leaning forward, and go. Beautiful. Oh my goodness, Aquated. Don't you wish you could have joined them in the pool? They looked like they were having so much fun diving for treasure. And don't forget, mums and dads, you can make this real as long as the children don't put money in their mouth. You can put real treasure down to the bottom of the pool. And then when the children find their treasure, they can actually use that to buy a pool toy or to buy something fun to play with in the bath. So I hope you tune in soon. We're going to be doing some stroke correction for the older kids. So lovely seeing you guys, and don't forget, pray